In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a newborn baby birth certificate in the UK. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to register a newborn baby's birth certificate in the UK, you need to follow a specific legal process that varies slightly depending on where in the UK, England, Wales, Scotland or Northern Ireland the baby was born. So I've done a breakdown of the steps involved. So in England and Wales, so when to register, you must register the birth within 42 days, 6 weeks of the baby being born. Where to register, so at the local register office in the area where the baby was born. You can also register at another register office, but it'll take longer to receive the certificate. Who can register? The mother or father, if married. If not married or in a civil partnership, only the mother can register unless both parents go together. Alright, the things that you'll need: the baby's red book from the hospital or midwife, parents' passports or birth certificates, not always mandatory but always helpful. Also a marriage certificate if applicable. And now what you'll receive are short birth certificates, which is free. This includes the baby name, sex and date of birth, and a full birth certificate. Paid includes parents' details. Alright, let's talk about the cost. So first, short birth certificate is free and the full certificate costs around £11 per copy. Then from here, book an appointment. So visit the local council website to book an appointment. And you can book the appointment at this website here, gov.uk, register offices. Alright, so for in Scotland, deadline is within 21 days of birth, and registration at the local registrar's office in the district where the birth occurred. You can also register via telephone or post with some registrars. In Northern Ireland, so deadline within 42 days and registration must be done at the district registration office. Both parents should attend if they are not married.